I'm Chris Alagi. I work for Victaulic Company of America, and I'm stationed in Atlanta, Georgia. So it all started, I would say, probably about 2 or 3 years ago. We were looking for a machine to do our cut grooving process. Traditionally, our cut grooving, we have some field-rated tools that Victaulic makes, and they're very slow. They're only made for field-style connections. We have a production-style tool. So we did some research, and we found the TGB machines, and from there, it kind of spooled into this partnership that's grown to numerous pieces of equipment, from plate rolls to now we're looking at a laser profiling machine. But the reason we're still moving forward, continuing to work with our partnerships with RMT, is because of their support level. So their sales team is great. Kyle, the owner, is fantastic to work with. And anytime we needed something, they've always came out and answered our call. It's never been a point where we had to really get on them about lack of service or not feeling like they don't have our back. It's always been a very good partnership, and I'm glad to continue moving forward with them. I mean, you walk around FabTech, you see, every mom and dad shop has a plate roll machine, or they have a fiber laser. So the way we normally distinguish, not only the way the machines are made, the main reason we come here, we walk around, you get to see the bandsaws, you get to see the plasma machines. You can feel them, touch them, see how they're built. You can see, if they took any shortcuts. And when we come over to RMT, you can see their equipment's very well made. It weighs a lot. Some of their equipment, the first time I heard how much their bandsaw weighed, I almost myself, but it's like 15,000 pounds, which it means, obviously it's a sturdy piece of equipment. But the biggest difference is the support level, as I mentioned before. It's fine to a certain point when you go and say, hey, I'm gonna buy this machine from you guys. Their support could be great, and then all of a sudden, once you buy it, they might not come around anymore. It's not, I never had to worry about that once with Danny, Kyle, or any of the guys that work at RMT. It gives you a sense of security to have their facilities in the United States, so we know we have good contacts to call, that they always get back to us. Even the time difference, they'll get back to us in an hour or two, worst case. But it's always been really good to work with them.